Cardano will be impossible to purchase after 2021. Have you already added ADA to your investment portfolio? This might be your last chance to buy ADA in the dip, so make sure to watch this video until the end to know the reason why. Now let's first discuss what Raoul Pal has to say, a macro guru and a trusted individual in the world of investing in Cardano. Raoul Pal is a former Goldman Sachs hedge fund manager, co-founder and CEO of Real Vision, and a macro and macroeconomic expert. So the former Real Vision CEO and founder discussed his top crypto investment strategies, crypto forecasts for 2022, crypto restrictions, and the risk of investing in crypto during an AMA to promote the company's new Crypto Pro platform. Also, we will reveal some interesting predictions and bullish sentiment espoused by Raoul Pal regarding ADA and other cryptocurrencies. Further, it is said that it will be the year of the Cardano bull market in 2022, and you don't want to miss out on what he had to say and what he has in store for us in the coming years. And you should keep an eye on this since serious investors will be looking forward to the end. Now let's assess the market for cryptocurrencies today. So the market for cryptocurrencies has been pretty much on a decline for the past few years, and Cardano has been on a downward trend for the past few weeks and months. And it is evident from the fact that Cardano has already dropped below the dollar mark as it is currently trading at US 99 cents. According to market capitalization, Cardano is the 7th most valuable cryptocurrency. Moreover, from its all-time high in September of last year of over $3, we all know that Cardano has been trending downwards ever since. Additionally, the price of ADA has been declining in recent weeks in line with the recent decline in crypto markets, and many of these decreases may be due to company critics who believe its prime is over and the coin has been surpassed by its competitors. On the other hand, Cardano has garnered a loyal following of supporters who are very committed to it and willing to wait until it achieves its full potential. Even though Cardano is in a downtrend, it does not fare any worse than other popular crypto coins whose backers like Cardano may not be far away from seeing a rise in the price. However, I believe that Cardano is a platform that has the potential to rise to the top of the notoriously volatile and cutthroat world of cryptocurrency. Furthermore, Raoul Pal, a very strong advocate of cryptocurrency, thinks that Cardano's price could increase in the future since the coin has long-term visions and goals. Raoul Pal has a wealth of knowledge and his opinions are well respected in the financial and cryptocurrency community. Yet he also cautions that predictions should not be taken too seriously and should instead be planned for a range of outcomes. Nevertheless, he remains adamant that the coin will succeed for a long time. A recent analysis by Paul also hinted that the crypto market, which also includes Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, and other stable coins, would get off to a bullish start this year. Additionally, it is no doubt that a growing number of institutional investors will join the crypto bandwagon this year as they gain a deeper understanding of the technology after redeploying their profits from 2021 into the crypto market, he said. Additionally, a majority of asset allocators had closed their books for 2022 and rebalanced their positions by the end of the year. And of course, beginning in early 2022, these investors will be more likely to have opened their balance sheets again. Additionally, many institutions have created crypto mandates that will apply to them in the first quarter of 2022. Considering these reasons, Raoul Pal foresees a bullish start coming soon. In addition, Paul predicts that the crypto market will be worth 100 times as much by 2030. And during an interview on December 31st, 2021, Paul also expressed his bullish opinion of Cardano and other cryptos. Moreover, the crypto market cap could reach $250 trillion in the future if crypto adoption and usage continue at the current rate. During the interview, Raoul Pal mentioned that market capitalizations for various asset classes, such as equities, bonds, and other property investments, range from $35 trillion to $250 trillion. To that end, he compared the rapid growth of crypto with such industries, making the case that cryptos like Cardano have a reasonable chance to reach these heights. Meanwhile, Paul has said, and I quote, "I look at the total derivatives market and it's $1 quadrillion. I think there's a reasonable chance of this being a $250 trillion asset class, which is 100 times from here, which will be the largest growth of any outside class in all of history in the shortest time." According to Paul, the growth in cryptocurrency adoption has been in line with predictions that 3.5 billion people will have already adopted the technology. This has made Paul extremely bullish on many popular cryptocurrencies. In his estimation, Ethereum will be worth more than $20,000 by the end of March 2022, and Bitcoin will be worth somewhere between $250,000 and $400,000 in that same time frame. So how can that possibly be? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below and make sure to subscribe to the channel. And it is no secret that there are not only crypto figures who predict a bullish first quarter in 2022, including the CEO of Real Vision. Both TA expert Ben Cohen and Masaru CEO Ryan Selkis predicted the same thing in their 2022 thesis reports. Moreover, macro guru Raoul Pal previously stated that Cardano, Solana, and Avalanche would all be extremely volatile throughout this full cycle, but with one warning. The Ethereum pioneer expressed an openness to the possibility that the bull cycle will last until June 2022 in an interview with Ash Bennington for Real Vision. And Ether could even reach a $40,000 level. As a result of parabolic growth, Paul believes that other leading Layer 1 cryptocurrencies such as Cardano might even become more expensive than Ethereum. Additionally, he stated, "I think most certainly till much, but possibly to the summer, it's going to give us higher prices and a different cycle structure than we've seen before. I could be wrong, I'm not betting the entire ranch on it, but that's how I think it plays out. And if I'm right about the network adoption, then these other Layer 1s like Solana, Terra, Avalanche, Cardano, and some of the others are going to be super expensive." As a consequence of the growing popularity of DeFi and NFTs, the macro guru is making predictions for crypto, stating that these two are already twice as popular as Bitcoin. Following the announcement that the U.S. Federal Reserve will raise interest rates this year, however, the crypto markets are currently in a deep bear market, and there is a downward trend for cryptos such as Cardano, with all of the top 10 currencies in the red. Moreover, Paul continues by explaining that there has been a lot of work put into just holding on. Also, there are tons of Ethereum locked up today in DeFi, tons of Ethereum locked up in NFTs, and you have 11% of the entire supply of Ethereum available today, and the supply is going down daily because of the exponential increase in demand. And a price increase can only result in an exponential rise. There is no other option. This founder and macro guru, Raoul Pal, has not only spoken his mind, but he has also heavily invested in leading cryptocurrencies. Furthermore, in 2021, Raoul Pal reported that he had completely shifted his investment portfolio to cryptocurrencies, an extremely bullish move. The funds Pal invested in gold represented 25% of his investment portfolio at the time, so he sold it all and put all the funds into cryptocurrencies. In Pal's portfolio, there were already 75 cryptocurrencies when he sold his gold positions at the time. Aside from this, crypto of various concentrations, as well as crypto-related products, are included in Pal's portfolio. According to the CEO, more than half of his investments belong to Bitcoin, which accounted for 55% of its holdings, and Ethereum sits in second place, holding 25% of the total cryptocurrencies, followed by other cryptocurrencies and blockchains representing the remaining 20%. Gary Gensler, for example, is taking a tough stance on crypto regulations, but Pal is unconcerned, explaining that it's simply a negotiation tactic. Also, he believes there will be some kind of meeting between crypto entities and regulators somewhere in the middle of proceedings. Then, according to Pal, the greatest risk to stable coins is an unanticipated one: Circle's bank accounts of the issuer of USDC. In 2022, the Fed and rates Pal predict that inflation will stifle economic growth, and if economic data fails to match their predictions, the central bank will refrain from raising interest rates. Despite the uncertainty concerning the bank's upcoming rate forecast, the bank often uses bold yields as a forecast for changes in gross domestic product and interest rates. In general, cryptocurrency tends to benefit from a downward rate trend. Therefore, it would make sense for you to buy more Cardano when it is in decline, because after 2022, it will be impossible to purchase Cardano. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Look in the comments section for what to do. Make sure you click the subscribe and bell buttons.